AI automation is changing the way businesses operate by reducing manual work, increasing efficiency, and saving time. Right now, companies are actively looking for ways to automate repetitive tasks, and that creates a huge opportunity for you. In this video, I'll show you how to start an AI automation business step by step. You don't need coding skills, and AI tools will handle most of the work for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI automation tools to use, how to get clients, and how to scale your business for passive income. And if you want to try any of the AI tools mentioned, you'll find the links in the description. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose an AI automation niche. Before you begin, it's important to pick a niche for your AI automation business. Different industries have different automation needs, so specializing in one makes it easier to find clients. For example, small businesses often need help automating customer service, appointment scheduling, and email marketing. E-commerce store owners are looking for AI-powered product recommendations, abandoned cart follow-ups, and inventory management automations. Real estate agents benefit from automated lead generation, property listing updates, and chatbot-driven client communication. Even content creators and influencers can use automation to schedule posts, repurpose content, and manage their audience engagement more efficiently. Choosing a niche allows you to focus on a specific problem and offer an AI-powered solution that makes businesses run smoother. Step 2. AI tools for automating business tasks. Now that you've chosen a niche, let's talk about the best AI automation tools that will power your business. One of the most powerful tools is Zapier, which connects different apps and services to automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can set up a Zapier automation that automatically sends follow-up emails when someone fills out a contact form on a website. Another tool, Make.com, functions similarly but allows for even more complex workflows, perfect for businesses that need customized automations. For customer support automation, AI chatbots like ManyChat, BotSonic, and Drift can handle FAQs, book appointments, and even collect leads, saving businesses time on customer service. When it comes to content scheduling, AI tools like Okoya and Hootsuite can automatically post social media content at optimal times. This is useful for influencers and businesses that want to maintain an active social media presence without manually posting every day. For AI-powered email marketing automation, platforms like ConvertKit and ActiveCampaign help businesses send personalized email sequences based on customer behavior. These tools ensure emails go out at the right time without manual effort. By learning how to use these AI automation tools, you can offer valuable automation services to businesses that don't have the time or expertise to set them up themselves. Step 3. Setting up your AI automation business. Once you understand how these tools work, it's time to set up your business and create a system for attracting clients. The first step is to create a simple website or portfolio showcasing the automation services you offer. You don't need anything fancy. A one-page website or even a Google Sites page works. Next, you'll want to demonstrate how AI automation solves real business problems. The best way to do this is by creating case study examples or free automation templates that potential clients can test. For example, if you're targeting real estate agents, you can create an AI chatbot that answers common questions about property listings and showcase it in your portfolio. Having clear examples of your AI automation services makes it easier for businesses to see the value you provide. To make it easy for clients to sign up, offer simple pricing packages based on automation complexity. You could charge a one-time setup fee for basic automations, or offer monthly management plans where you maintain and update automations on an ongoing basis. By setting up clear service offerings and pricing, you'll make it easy for businesses to hire you without confusion. Before we continue, be sure to click that like button for more step-by-step guides on AI businesses to make money in 2025. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. Step 4. Getting clients and making money. Now that your AI automation business is set up, it's time to find your first paying clients. One of the fastest ways to get started is by listing your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, where businesses are actively looking for automation experts. Another powerful method is direct outreach. Look for businesses that could benefit from automation and send them a message offering a free audit of their current workflow. For example, you could reach out to a small business and say, "Hey, I specialize in AI automation, and I noticed your business could benefit from streamlining customer follow-ups. I'd love to show you how I can set up an AI-powered email sequence that saves you time and increases customer engagement. Let me know if you'd like a free demo." This approach works well because businesses want solutions that save them time and money. Joining Facebook groups, LinkedIn communities, and Reddit forums related to small business owners is another great way to find clients. Offer valuable advice on automation, and people will start reaching out to you for help. You can also create short-form content on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, showcasing automation hacks and how they help businesses. This builds authority and attracts clients organically. By using these strategies, you'll land your first paying clients and start generating income with AI automation. Step 5. Scaling and passive income strategies. One of the biggest advantages of AI automation is that once you set up an automation workflow, it runs on autopilot. This means that over time, you can start building multiple automation systems for different clients or industries. If you're working with multiple businesses, you can create custom automation packages tailored to specific industries. For example, you can develop an AI-powered follow-up system for real estate agents, an automated booking assistant for fitness coaches, or a chatbot-based customer support system for e-commerce brands. Once you refine these automations, you can package them as templates and sell them to multiple businesses, turning this into a completely passive income stream. Another way to scale is by offering AI automation courses or consulting services. You can create an online course teaching businesses how to set up automations themselves and sell it for passive income. To increase recurring revenue, consider offering subscription-based automation management. Businesses will pay you a monthly fee to monitor and optimize their AI automations, ensuring they run smoothly. By implementing these strategies, you can transform AI automation into a high-income business with multiple revenue streams. Common AI automation mistakes to avoid. When setting up AI automations, it's important to avoid some common mistakes that could slow down your business growth. One mistake many beginners make is overcomplicating automations. While it's tempting to build advanced workflows, it's better to start simple. Focus on high-impact automations that save businesses time and money. Another mistake is not testing automations properly. Before offering automation services to clients, make sure everything works smoothly. Run test scenarios to ensure AI chatbots respond correctly, email sequences trigger at the right time, and workflows don't create duplicate tasks. Finally, don't underprice your services. Businesses are willing to pay for automation because it saves them thousands of dollars in labor costs. Position yourself as an expert and charge accordingly. Final thoughts. AI automation is one of the most powerful business models available today because it saves businesses time, increases efficiency, and reduces costs. I've linked the best AI automation tools in the description if you want to try them out. Let me know in the comments, would you start an AI automation business? If this video helped you, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI business ideas and money-making strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.